My name is Alcade Segnon. I'm a scientist at the Alliance of Biodiversity International in Seattle, and I'm the science officer of AICCRA West Africa Club. So the objective of AICCRA is, first of all, AICCRA stands for accelerating the impact of CGI climate research for Africa. It's a CGI initiative funded by the World Bank. The objective of AICCRA is to scale up climate smart agricultural technology and innovation and climate information services that has been developed by CGI and its partner to scale it up for Africa. It's been implemented in 3 countries in West Africa and 3 countries in Eastern and Southern Africa. In West Africa, it's been implemented in Ghana, Mali, and Senegal. In addition to country operation, we also have regional program. One of the objectives of regional program is to make sure that the innovation that work in the country transfer or scale up in other country, in non-AICCRA country in the region. So this is one of the objectives of the regional program. In addition to that, so to be able to do that, the regional program work mainly with regional institutions such as WASCAL, Agrimet, CORAF, and then Reform on the continental level. So in addition to regional program, we also have continental level operation or activities, and those are led by thematic clusters. So we have one thematic cluster on policy and institution. We have another one on CSA technology, a third one is about gender and social inclusion, and then the fourth one is about climate information services. So AICCRA works on two strategic domains or two thematic, climate information and climate smart agriculture. But in addition to those two, AICCRA wants to support or to develop the capacity of the next generation of experts on this thematic. So this is why we have a partnership with WASCAL, Reform, and these two institutions have the mandate to develop curricula around the CIS and the CSA, and then to be able to disseminate it through African university. So instead of working with individual universities, by working with regional institutions such as WASCAL and CORAF, AICCRA aims to reach more African university and more students, and then hoping that at the end a new generation of expertise will be generated for Africa. Thank you.